What is cloud storage and how does it work? You know when your phone says your storage is almost full and suggests sending everything to the cloud? Many people accept it, it works, but most have no idea what actually happens to the files. In this video I want to show you, very directly, what cloud storage is, how it works, and the pros and cons of storing your files outside a physical device, instead of leaving everything stuck only on a computer or phone. What cloud storage is, in practice. Let's simplify. Instead of storing your files only inside a physical device, like a hard drive, flash drive, or SSD, you rent space in computers owned by specialized companies, connected to the internet all the time. These computers are located in large data centers, buildings full of servers, energy systems, cooling, and security. The idea is that your data stays available from anywhere, whenever you have internet access and permission in your account. How this works behind the scenes. When you send a photo to the cloud, it does not disappear into the air. It is turned into data and sent over the internet to the provider's servers. There, this data is recorded on disks and often copied to more than one device or even to different locations, reducing the risk of loss. Access is protected by login, passwords, two-factor authentication, and in many services, files are encrypted during transfer and also while stored. Examples you probably already use. Even without noticing, it's very likely that you already use services like these in your daily life. File platforms, photos, notes, email, and even messaging apps that store chat history backups already use the same logic of keeping data on remote servers. The difference between them is usually the purpose. Some focus on backup, others on document collaboration, others on photo storage with automatic organization, and so on. Main advantages of storing data online. First point, you can access your files from any device connected to your account. If the computer breaks, your data remains safe, because it wasn't stored only on that device. Another advantage is cost and flexibility. Instead of buying multiple physical hard drives, you can increase or decrease space in the cloud as needed, paying on a recurring basis. This is very common in companies because it avoids large investments in their own infrastructure. Disadvantages and limitations almost nobody mentions. Of course, it's not perfect. You depend on a good internet connection to upload or download files. If the network is down or slow, access may be affected. Another point is privacy. Your files are stored on third-party equipment, so it's important to check sharing settings, choose the provider carefully, and enable security features like two-factor authentication and strong passwords. In addition, there is a recurring cost that may increase if you store large amounts of information. Is it worth using and how to start safely? In the end, the cloud is like a giant closet rented on the internet. You don't see where it is, but you can open the doors from anywhere, as long as you have the right key. If you want to start, the simplest way is to enable cloud backup on your phone or try a file service with a free plan. Then, little by little, you can decide what is really worth keeping there: important photos, documents, work projects, and backups. Now think, if you lost your phone or laptop today, what would disappear with it? If the answer is a lot, maybe it's time to use the cloud, always paying attention to security and privacy.